The Indian Meteorological Department Thursday issued weather warnings for Odisha, forecasting heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, and gusty winds across several districts until August 25th. The Regional Meteorological Centre in Bhubaneswar advised local administrations to stay alert for possible flooding, waterlogging, and landslides in vulnerable areas. The warning was extended to 18 districts including Cuttack, Khordha, Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Jajpur, Bhadrak, Dhenkanal, Angul, Bargarh, Sonapur, Bolangir, Kalahandi, and others, with thunderstorms and winds up to 40 km per hour expected. The extended forecast indicated light to moderate rain statewide until August 25th, driven by a low pressure system over the Bay of Bengal. The IMD said interior districts may face heavier rainfall, while coastal regions could see intermittent showers. Heavy rain over the past 48 hours triggered landslides and flooding in Malkangiri, Koraput, and Nabarangpur, submerging roads and small bridges and uprooting trees. Local administrations have begun clearance and restoration work. Stay tuned to Orissapost Live to stay updated.